G'day. You're not going to believe how simple this solution will be. If you've arrived at this channel for some reason, it's no doubt because you too have been having problems with your DJI app. And if you've searched for this video, it's because you cannot find the solution to your problem, as I couldn't either. And in particular, with a Samsung. And in my case, it's the Samsung Galaxy A51, which I did a review about unboxing just over 2 years ago. And I'm so relieved that I've just discovered the solution after months of searching. A bit of background for those that don't know. DJI is the biggest domestic drone manufacturer in the world, in China. And you can skip forward to the solution I found with my particular problem, because I'll index the video. But if you haven't found a solution so far, in brief, I'll run you through this very quickly, what you have to do first. Now, all year, there's been a problem with DJI and the app since the Android 12 update. So you have to do these steps before your solution can be solved. So in brief, let's look at the phone very quickly to show you what you need to do before you can even work with this solution. And when I tell you the solution I found, I tell you what, I've been pulling my hair out for months now, literally. It's even caused delays of some videos because I couldn't use my drone. DJI support even sent me a link to a Discord server for a beta version, and that seemed to work. But next time I used the drone, a month later, no go, same story. At least it wasn't crashing, but it just wouldn't work. So the first thing you need to do is go into your phone. This may be a problem with other Samsung brands. I can only speak of the A51 that I'm using. And it was to the point that DJI, as good as their support generally is, finally said, you probably have to use a different device for it. So they didn't have a solution. So let's take a look inside the phone settings to show you what I mean. So when you go into the DJI app, in my case, I go down to Mavic Pro, I'll show you what happens, or what's been happening. You see? Allow access to external storage and location services, blah blah. Go to settings. Nothing happens. Show you again. Go to settings. Nothing happens. So you cancel. So basically, no matter what you do, you can't get into it. So that's the point I was at. I was even thinking of buying another phone, which is like not what I wanted to do because this one's only just over 2 years old. I even thought of installing the Lychee or whatever it is app. I've used it once before with the previous Phantom drone and it was no good whatsoever. I got my money back. So that's how desperate I was because I couldn't fly the drone anywhere. Now the original solution, which absolutely made me tear my hair out, I went down to film somewhere and I spent an hour trying to find the solution. Started the app, and as soon as I actually started the app, boom, it disappeared again. Now that problem you have to fix. And you simply first must make sure you've properly uninstalled the old DJI Go 4 app. Go to your settings, clear your cache, and once you've uninstalled the DJI app fully, it might pay to go to, in this case, battery and device care, memory, and just clear everything in memory as well. And I would restart the phone as well. Then once that's happened, go to DJI.com, look under support, downloads, and download the latest DJI Go 4 app. And once you have, go through your settings, make sure that you enable everything, camera, microphone, location. So when you go into settings to make sure that's correct, go down to apps, find, oh, I shot past it there, DJI Go 4, Now, make sure permissions are enabled. As you see, I have everything: camera, contacts, probably don't need contacts, files, location, microphone, no permissions denied. Okay, make sure you have those enabled. And I would restart the phone again, then it should work. Now, to the solution I found that could not be overcome even after I did that. And as I say, I can't be the only one of millions and millions of users that have this problem. And when I show you the problem, you're going to say, well, that's obvious. But then it couldn't be too obvious because I couldn't work it out for ages. I would use the phone, I would open the app, and I'd get the message, check settings. Went back, check settings, they're all enabled, but still I couldn't use the app. I can't tell you how many times I uninstalled it, reinstalled it, probably 20, 30 times, literally. No good whatsoever. I could use the phone, you know, while it was just freshly installed. Next time I used the phone, I couldn't. Follow the procedures I'm about to tell you. And now I'll show you the solution. Okay, are you ready for this? You won't believe it. Now, normally at home, I don't enable this, but when I'm out, of course, I enable it. So you simply hit location. Then when you go into the DJI Go 4 app, same thing. Find your drone. And this is probably not just generic to the Mavic Pro, which is my drone. Enter device. Look at that. Now I don't have the drone connected, so you're seeing a black screen, but you'll see you've got location there. So it works. Everything works. You've got all that. And if you have the drone plugged in, of course, that'll all be up and running. So there you go. That's the simple solution, easily overlooked, as I did, for a couple of months. So I really hope that's helped some people, because if you were stuck like me, I tell you what, it was, well, what's left of my hair I was pulling out anyway. Leave a comment below and tell me if you've ever experienced that sort of problem. Make me feel a little less stupid. And whether or not this has solved your problem, because I guarantee it will if you followed all of those steps correctly. And of course, if this video did help you, please think about leaving a like and subscribing. Because I'm not a drone channel, I just put everything up what comes to me and any solutions that might help you out. So that's appreciated, it all helps. So hopefully I have helped you. Alright, cheers, and I look forward to flying the drone again at last. See you later.